Okay, it has started hailing. I thought it was rain, but it's hail. And I'm at my last stop, stop 5 of 5, the donut factory. And at this stop, I have gotten 2 donuts. And I said at the beginning of this video that Bavarian cream donuts are donuts that are filled with Bavarian cream. And so they can be frosted or not frosted. And I got for you guys, well, not for me, but also to share with you guys, this is a Bavarian cream buttermilk, which I guess I've had a buttermilk biscuit, buttermilk donut at some point in time, but I don't actually remember it. This is a Bavarian cream buttermilk one. Grab some napkins because I gotta cut these to see if I can get good pictures for Wikipedia. Ooh, this is light. Oh, look at that. This is a glazed buttermilk. So I'm gonna go ahead and we'll start with this baby, the glazed. I am choosing to try and get pictures of these for Wikipedia. So I'm thinking, well, let's see here. Hello, I'm getting a little closer. All right, there's a single take filming lifestyle. Okay, I'm gonna do, well, no, we'll just cut them. I was gonna say, this looks very pretty. I wanna take a picture like this, but I'm not there yet. I'm rushing myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the glazed buttermilk. Ooh, it is airy. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, look. Okay, well, I can't, I'm not, all right. Here it is. Let's see if we can all cut. I'm gonna put it up on my dashboard and see if I can get a good picture. We got glazed. All right, I got 2. It's light enough. Now, I'm gonna take and eat this one. So this is Stop 5 of 5 Donut Factory in Lynnwood. It looks like they have another location in Seattle. So here we go. Glazed. Grab a napkin. Excellent cream. I see. Light on the glaze. Can still taste it. Fluffy to the point of being like airy. Which I don't know how easy that is to execute or not, but I can imagine that'd be potentially difficult to keep it airy, especially once it's been made and it's put on a tray for the store. COVID-19 practices. They had a hand sanitizer bottle between the donuts and ordering, like where to pay, between payment and the donuts and ordering. They had a hand sanitizer bottle / station. The storefront was open. I was able to get in, and masks were not required. So yeah. So that's the first one. I'm going to give that an 11 out of 10. That's one that I would probably, well, I'd probably get 2 of those. to be like, if I were doing just one donut stop, I would get 2 of those. I give it an 11 out of 10. All right, up next is Bavarian Creme Buttermilk. This feels more like, I got my little mouse cheese cutter. I brought a water bottle with me so I could clean it off between the chocolate coated Bavarian cream and these ones. Ooh. And here we go. This is the Bavarian Creme Buttermilk. Put it on the dashboard. See if we can get a good picture. You get a picture of each half is how I'm approaching it. So if one half doesn't work out, do the other half. Ugh. There's print on the bottom of the bag, so I'm avoiding the print. There. All right, so I got 3 different Bavarian cream donuts, so there might be 3 different. I might do a gallery on the Bavarian cream page, put the different donuts, and then they have some Wikipedia media for Bavarian cream itself, so put some of those in as well. And all right, here we go. Oh, before I eat, how much did they cost? So they were $2.50 flat per donut, so I got 2, so it was $5 flat. Here we go. Get a napkin. I haven't hit the cream yet. So it's the buttermilk. Buttermilk has a distinct flavor, so if you don't like buttermilk, it tastes like buttermilk. I'm not strong either way. Is a different option to a raised or a cake donut. I'm gonna probably had one of these, but I don't actually know. It's delicious. Reminds me of Irish soda bread. And then I just got a bite of the Bavarian cream, and it's like Irish soda bread and butter. As a delicious. But I got finished the whole donut. Donut number 6. I'm surprisingly not full. Thought I would be full by like the second donut. Nope. I did something right in my preparation. This is delicious. Or maybe I'm starting to like go home and just lie down and be like, oh. They were playing, I got in, I was waiting in line, and the song, lonely, I am so lonely. I used to know that whole little intro as Akon's song from a while ago. I like the song. I might even still have that song on my computer. Hits the spot. So what have I not talked about? So the Bavarian cream is good. So I'll show you this half. The buttermilk is good. It's excellent. The glaze, I'm impressed with. this place and everywhere I've been today, the frosting or glaze has been on the thinner side. I think perhaps that's why I'm not too full and my taste buds aren't overwhelmed. It's like a delicate balance that each of these 5 places has gotten right. I'm impressed. If I remember correctly, Buttermilk was one of those donuts that so some people say it's more like a bread than a donut. I love bread. I can eat a loaf of bread, so it's like I like just in one go. This is 11 out of 10, but I'm not done yet. Gotta finish it. It is a more of a juggernaut of like big and powerful, like the lychee from the last place. If I were to do just like one donut shop in a day and I was looking for a tasty baked good filling, I could do one of these and I'd be okay. $11 out of 10. Truly excellent. All 5 places. This donut factory, 11 out of 10. Each of the places today, 11 out of 10. Which is good for them. Consistent offerings, tasty offerings, and give myself a pat on the back for ordering the right thing and finding 11 out of 10s at each place. So happy Sunday. Hope you're having a day, and I'll get around to posting these today. And then my COVID-19 pandemic chronology video update for the day I'll film later in the day and post that, publish that.